If you've been looking for new methods to generate money online, go no further, because today I'm going to show you an incredibly simple, brand new, and completely free strategy. By just copying and pasting, you will be able to earn $100 or more in minutes. The insane thing here is, you don't need any social media platform to earn in this manner, and most of all, you can do it around the globe. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. The first website that we will be using in this strategy is socialpilot.co. This is a tool that will help you manage your social media accounts. Many people who are running a business and don't have time to manage their social media would search for sites like this to handle the work for them, so they can focus on other things. The fact that the pricing on this site is so low, you can examine the specific price differences between Socialpilot and some of its main competitors by scrolling down a little. And as you can see, there is a huge difference. Socialpilot not only offers a free trial, but it also has significantly lower prices than other similar sites. They will charge you $30 each month for handling 25 accounts. Meanwhile, a firm called Hootsuite would charge you $130 for just 20 profiles, which is more than 4 times the price for fewer profiles maintained. One of the best qualities of this service, in my opinion, is the inexpensive cost. Now that's out of the way, you can learn more about this website and check out all of its wonderful features. But I'm not going to do that because I don't want to make this film any longer. Now you must scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and look for company. Below that, you will choose an affiliate program. Now, I want you to pay attention because this technique is unlike any other affiliate strategy you've seen. We won't be promoting Socialpilot on a single social media network. Instead, I'll show you how to identify individuals that need this tool to perform the work for them, and of course, willing to sign up for it, so stay tuned for that. In terms of their affiliate program, Socialpilot offers various features that, in my opinion, make it quite worthwhile. For starters, they provide 30% commissions, which is a great deal. Even though there are sites that can provide more commissions, the free trial that I described earlier will attract more individuals to this site. That helps to balance things out a little because if people test it out for free and see how helpful it is, they'll be more likely to pay for it. Meanwhile, the lack of a free trial makes things much more difficult. People have to pay them first, which entails risk because they don't know whether or not this is a real website, and understandably, they don't want to just hand over their money. You can see how it works if you scroll down a little on this page. To begin, sign up for Socialpilot by making an account, which is completely free as shown below. You'll then advertise Socialpilot to get some individuals to sign up through your affiliate link. And of course, you are compensated. Another great feature of their payments is that you may make a 30% commission on every new paid membership with Socialpilot in every renewal. If someone signs up for an annual plan, you will get paid for the entire year. You'll keep making money if they renew it and sign up for another year. As a result, Socialpilot is an excellent site for affiliate marketing. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. If you scroll a little bit, you will notice that this platform will pay you via PayPal. This is so amazing. PayPal was used to make the payment for you. The fact that you'll need $50 to withdraw your money is a minor disadvantage. But with all of the other excellent stuff this site has to offer, it's not a huge concern. To begin working as an affiliate, simply click here to get started. Fill in some basic information and you'll be able to establish a new account. Now, I'll show you where to get traffic and how to get it. The traffic source that we will be using is peopleperhour.com. If you don't know what this platform is all about, this is a freelancing website wherein you can come on here and work as a freelancer or seek various services. We will not be soliciting services on this platform, nor we will be working as a freelancer. So, let me demonstrate how this site will generate traffic for us. All you have to do is click on the search button right here. Then, right below that, you'll want to click on search offers. Now, it will display people who have posted a job offering their skills as freelancers on this site. From there, all you need to do is go to the search bar right here and enter social media management. This person right here is making over 8,000 reviews with a price of over $150. We're talking hundreds of dollars of earnings right here. This isn't the only one who has a similar job. When you return to this page, you'll notice that there are over 900 results. All of the 900 results are all your prospective customers. Why? These people have to do all the work themselves. They also maintain a large number of social media accounts at the same time. They will only be investing a modest amount of money but will receive a tremendous return on that investment if they use Social Pilot. On Social Pilot, you can see that a monthly membership can be as low as $25. Meanwhile, the guy I previously showed you charges over $150 per customer. So, a single consumer would be enough for them to get a big return on their investment. This is why these individuals are excellent potential consumers. They are spending a lot of time and effort, and Social Pilot would be quite beneficial to them. It's a terrific deal, plus the free trial kicks in here, so you'll be able to gain a lot more customers. From here, all you have to do is contact a few of these people. To do so, you must first open up their offers. Then, as you can see, you must click on their account, which is located here. On the following page, simply by clicking contact right here, you'll be able to reach out to them. Please note that you are not permitted to give your affiliate link to these individuals on People Per Hour. If you do so, you will be banned. Instead, inform them that you have a business idea for them that would be extremely beneficial to them, and that you'd like their email address for future correspondence. You can only give them their link if they provide you their email address. I would suggest emailing something along these lines. You can copy this one right here or create your own version. I wrote near the end, if you want more details and the link to the said tool, feel free to message me. If they do message you, simply go through all of the excellent things Social Pilot has to offer. Tell them about the low pricing, the free trial, and how much more money they could make by spending a small amount on Social Pilot. And then, put your affiliate link in that message. Then it's only a matter of rinsing and repeating the process to locate new customers. Contact them through People Per Hour to obtain their email address and then send your affiliate link. This way, you'll get a lot of people to sign up for your link and you'll never run out of clients. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.